It'd be great to get your take to start with on all the hand-wringing that we've seen regarding FANG as a group since the beginning of the year.
Right.
I wonder if you think there are any dynamics at work that are keeping it from being as much of a torrid group as it was in the middle of last year.
Well, I mean, you're right. It has been, it's had its ups and downs so far this year. It's been a lot more idiosyncratic than we've seen in years past. So, look, I think the advertising trends are still really strong. You saw that with Google's top line results in their ad business. You saw it with Facebook's results. There's certainly been concern over things like privacy and regulation for that group that I think has been responsible for a little bit of the ups and downs, but there was also fear that we were going into a slowdown in spending that we just haven't seen, whether you're looking at, comments from Amy Hood at Microsoft or companies like Facebook and Google.
Yeah, the Facebook element is really stark. Even the title of your note recently, looking more like its old self, coming off of the 4Q results. Talk about the degree to which you think they're really back on offense now.
Well, I think they are back on offense. And I thought Mark Zuckerberg's comments on their conference call this time, they were much more front-footed than they were throughout 2018. And saying, he basically came out and said, look, last year was a year where we had to fix a lot of issues. This is the year where we're going back on the product offensive. And, you've seen things like Instagram stories really take off in terms of ad unit acceptance, increasing ad load. It's another vehicle of ad load for them. And, if you look, Q4 was a really impressive ad revenue beat, and they had a much bigger currency headwind than people were expecting, and they beat by, a really large amount. And that was the first time they had beaten ad revenue, since the March quarter of last year. So, yeah, I think they're on much better footing than they were a year ago.
Are they your favorite right now in the space?
So, I mean, we've got Google on our conviction buy list. We like Facebook as well. We've got a buy on that also. Google, we think you've got a little bit more optionality. We're actually getting ready to have Thomas Kurian, who's the new head of Google Cloud, speak at our conference. He's kicking off the conference this year. We think there's a lot of optionality there in regards to GCP and regards to Waymo that aren't fully reflected in the stock right now. So if we had to pick one, we would probably be picking that one at this point.